Hello everyone, Francis to spot a new shirt. Let the world see. Università, Venezia, amazing. And the new bag. Let me show you the new bag. Turn around the bag. Turn the bag around. Where are we now?
Venetian River.
Saint Marco Square, Venice, Italy. March 19, 2023, around 3 p.m. Chạy冇？睇轉身。Saint Marco Square。
我想坐大。
Okay, Saint Marco Square. This is another video. Đây. Hey, follow 我哋 follow 到冇 follow 到冇好 slow 嘅喎個 video。你喺嗰度睇佢嗰啲，你嗰度我影嗰度，好靚喎，呢度靚喎。
back 啊，最靚咩 back 都靚，買得埋個龍 back。你
喺前面，不如你啊，你呢個 square， 喺前面。So Francis, you like your hoodie, your new shirt, hoodie?
Yeah, very beautiful. Very beautiful.
And the new bag. How much it cost? Both $25 euro, both 20 and 5.
€5.
We got some discounted price.
25 euro.
Okay, 到你幫我影，攞住，just hold it.
Yeah. 靚喎！講嘢。
This one is 5 euro.
This is 5 euro.
You guys think? What do you guys think? Do you think it's worth it?
我要節目。
And behind me is what Saint Marco church? I don't know. Maybe complex.
complex 唔係 complex 嘅喎 ，museum 嚟嘅喎，唔係 museum 嚟嘅喎。
你本身。Let's go there. I'm not sure it's a free entry or what. Let's have a look. Come on. 你企度幫我影張相，你企度幫我影張相，係企度。哦，你 back 咧？See a lot of people there waiting to get in. This one is another part of Saint Marco Square. Hey, say goodbye. End of this video. Goodbye.
Bye, ciao. Gracias.
End of this video.
Gracias. 我抄嘅。Gracias, ciao. 我 gracias.
End of this video. Ciao.